morning, everybody. November 8th, Saturday, and we're planning today to cross Canadian American border from Canada to United States and see Niagara Falls from American side.
Good morning. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. Just like and subscribe to us. Может быть, нам на duty free заехать?
Duty free? No, I don't think so. Let's cross the border right away. Yeah. Yeah, that's Niagara Falls Horseshoe. And you can see people just crossing by just walking. Yeah.
Stay on Rainbow Bridge.
I don't know how they're gonna react if the camera will be on. So.
Welcome to the United States of America.
Oh, thank you very much.
600 meters, turn right onto 1st Street.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna turn off the cameras.
Yeah, let's.
And as soon as we cross the border, we're gonna share experience.
It's
How
a
was the
big
crossing?
line, actually. It's almost nobody's here.
Okay, we just crossed the border. It took us in about 15 seconds. He just said, "What do you want to see?" We said, "We will see Niagara Falls from American side." He said, "Good luck." So we crossed the border successfully. Okay, so
Take the next right onto 1st Street.
we are planning to park in Goat Island, that standing right on Niagara River, and we'll try to make the
In 300 meters,
nice videos
take
for
a
you
traffic
guys.
circle.
Yeah, so it's American
Stay on
side
1st
right now. It took for us really 5 seconds and one question: where are you going? That's it.
Okay, so it's Niagara Falls State Island. Wow. Thanks God we still have those fall colors in effect.
In 300 meters, merge onto Goat Island Road. In 300 meters, keep
Parking
left to stay
somewhere
on
here,
Goat
right?
Island Road.
Yes.
Parking on the left. Parking. Parking here.
Yeah, so basically right here.
Yeah, here. So I have to park here, right?
Do you want to park here?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Take
park
left
here.
to stay on Goat Island Road.
Okay, I have to buy, right? Something here. Ticket or something.
In 600 meters, turn left onto Exit Way.
Okay, now we're in a Goat Island, okay, and it's in Niagara State Park. So we're gonna see information, use the bathroom, and create the plan.
Parking cost $10, so we just paid ticket right away. And yeah, there it's a Canadian side, as you can see, and we are on an island between falls. I like it that it's not too busy, right?
Yeah, and it's strange because it's
Summertime it was,
Saturday.
yes,
Saturday.
yeah, Saturday, but it's like last day of fall before snowing. Tomorrow it should be big snowstorm, something
Tomorrow,
like this.
I think tomorrow will be
Tomorrow,
snowstorm.
yeah, I'm telling you, yeah. Nighttime it starts, gonna start snowing, but now, as you can see, really beautiful. Yeah. Interesting, it's even for wheelchair charger station. Cool. We decided to take map for these islands. They are small one, but make sure that we're going in the right direction.
I just want to say we've never been here, okay? So I want to get a map, okay? And I want to see this,
Yeah.
this on the paper, okay? Let's go find a map.
But still nice. A little bit chilly. I don't know. It's a +5 or something like this, 7.
But it's cold because
Cold.
wind and kind of like humidity.
But
По столику нет никакого, если посмотреть.
okay. It's a cafe. Let's go outside. Why are we here?
Oh, you filming it there?
Yeah,
Did
let's
you
go
film
outside.
the small area?
Yeah, it's just cafe, right? Look, people still taking taking the ships to go to Niagara Falls close.
Let's go sit and let's make the plan.
Yeah, here is the rest area. Let's do it. Okay. Okay, point.
Oh, are you filming?
Yes. Point what you wanna.
Okay, so
yeah, just show
I
where you
have
are.
a camera and I have no idea where you are. Okay, I have
It
no
should
idea.
be star or something.
Okay, I will figure out myself. I will figure out myself. Okay.
Okay.
So, you can see this one.
Yes.
So we just crossed a rainbow bridge. Okay.
Yeah, let me show it more.
So we just crossed Rainbow Bridge. Okay. We cross
Bridge, American Rapids.
yeah, we're
Bridge.
gonna go to Goat Island. So we cross this one. We park somewhere here. Yeah, it's a parking here. So and we're right here right now. Okay. So we'll see the area.
And we go to this falls, right? Okay. Let's do it.
Oh, do you want to go short?
I want to show you the kind of like I would say huge difference between Canadian side and American side. Okay, so can you show this one? Can you show this the buildings? It's a casino and hotels. As you can see, like a high-rise building. This is Canadian side. Okay, just turn this way. Turn to me. It's a beautiful park, but I don't see any
Yeah, it's a
casinos.
more two different things. Yeah, Canadian side is more entertainment.
Yeah, more entertainment.
Yeah, and spending money there. Here is more like park. Let's go there, more left. Let's start maybe there and go all around. Yeah, you see, some people they have a really warm clothes and some of them still shorts.
This guy wearing shorts.
Yeah,
Oh, goodness.
colors. Yeah, and this one, this is Niagara River and Niagara Falls.
Let's get close.
Yeah, let's do
I
it.
just realized we've never been here.
Yeah, and this is spot. Yeah, we have never been. Usually it's a other side. It's a Canadian side.
You want to go this way?
No, I just
To the rapids?
rapids.
Rapids, yeah, the rapids over there.
Yeah, okay. And I like it. Look at this one. It's Niagara Falls State Park, Terrapin Point and Horseshoe Falls. Yes, 762 meters. Wow. And height is 51. It's a lot. It's a lot. and we're gonna go downstairs there, more closer to water. Oh my gosh, small babies. Look at this one. They are not even afraid, geezes.
Oh, by the way, this is Canadian goose.
Canadian, yes.
Yeah. they just crossed the border. Okay?
Yeah, without
And-
passports.
And be careful. They leave lots of,
Yeah, they're marking territory. Look, they're huge. Yeah, here more chilly. I would say even freezing.
it's cold.
Cold. Yeah, it's kind of cold here. More close to water. Yeah, it's a little bit cold. I don't know how people here with babies.
Wow. This-
This one is Canadian side, and the people actually went outside to watch
This is
one.
new attraction of Camel. New
Yeah.
attraction.
And this one, yeah, where's
Yeah,
it?
that's a new attraction. Camel.
Yeah, this one, right? Yeah. And we noticed some people throwing coins here, so they're hoping return back to Niagara Falls. Yeah, and they're actually sheep. Yeah. Do you like it here?
It's cold.
It's cold,
It's
yeah.
cold. You can see the windy. You can feel the water. It's
Mhm.
cold, but it's beautiful. I love it.
Humidity here, yeah. Okay, now we are looking at American Falls, Luna Island, and Bridal Veil. Yeah, it's a height 54 meters. It's pretty high. Let's see.
Unfortunately, we're not going to get to Luna Island. Luna Island, it's right there. Okay, it's very windy and lots of water. So let's go this path.
Yeah, there are like a lot of water
Let's
in
go
the air.
this path, and I think it's beautiful. We're gonna see from another side.
Yeah, let's go here. So this one, small one, is called Bridal Whale, and another one, next one, it's bigger. It's American Fall. So here actually two falls. This is Tesla, and I think to make picture there, it's a for good luck.
See the turbines, or when the buildings across there.
Everybody is trying to get there. Nikola Tesla. Oleg. Yeah, he's trying too. Oh wow. Okay, let's do it, and I will make a picture for you. Canadian side. Yeah, this is people, I don't know, coming back. Yeah, they are coming back, and this one in line up to see falls, you know, really close. There even baby, my gosh.
Okay, so our next step, we live in Goat Island and we're going to Niagara Falls, United States. Do we have to validate? No. Oh, it's open right away. Okay.
Because we already paid up to front.
So yeah. So by the way, the parking is $10 for whole day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto exit way.
Until midnight. Yeah. 12 p.m.
Wow. I love those fall
We're
colors.
still on a island, right?
Colors beautiful.
Turn left onto exit way, then use the right lane to turn right.
No, I don't want to even turn off the camera. Let's watch it. Let's watch it.
Santa Claus.
Yeah, so we're crossing the bridge, Niagara River, right here, and this is American side. It's
In
the
1000, take the
nice.
first exit onto Rainbow Boulevard.
It's actually gas-powered bus, tourist bus.
So this is our parking, right? On the right.
Yep. Yeah. Oh, and this hotel right in front of us, it's abandoned. Nobody's living there. Whoa.
You know what? Interesting. We were here a couple months ago in the summertime. It was absolutely busy. A lot of people.
It's Saturday, for God's sake.
But today's Saturday, yeah. Nobody's, but it's really cold, and probably it's last days when it's no snow. Tomorrow, like I mentioned before, tomorrow should be snowfall. So we have a like last day, last chance to walk, green grass,
And no people around.
no people around, yeah. And tomorrow is going to be different day here. And Canadian side.
I love the colors. Do you love the colors? Do you
Yeah,
see the colors?
yeah.
Because
Yes, I love it. A little bit strange, yeah. It's empty, empty on a Saturday day.
Okay, let's go to the promenade. Let's go to promenade.
Oh, nobody at all. Couple people.
Whoa. Which people?
Ooh, nobody. What's happened there? Do you want to check? It's looking like it's looking like apocalypse. Nobody's here. Siren.
Unbelievable.
And,
It's Niagara Falls.
yeah. And siren. I don't know what is this. And only us here. It's like movie. I just wondering, what is this?
Okay, turn camera off. Let's walk and let's see.
Yeah, let's do it. So we still don't know what sounds coming from. It's looking like it's a huge parking.
Okay, I think because this is huge parking, okay, and this sound goes from the parking, so one car is making this loud sound, okay? That's what I'm thinking, okay?
You think? I'm kind of confused. I'm not sure this is car can do this one alarm. But let's see around. Let's go. We actually wanted to go have a little bit like small snack, and we'll do just American snack. Okay, let's eat here, right, Alec? We'll go here.
No, it used to be the water.
Yeah, it's like fountains
Let's go check.
probably.
Such a traffic, a lot of people.
Yeah. Here even sweets. Okay, chicken. Yeah. Hi. I just want a classic chicken sandwich, not spicy, original, and a French fries. Yeah.
Just those 2 items?
Yep.
What was that?
Onion rings. Do you have it? No. Okay.
Total would be $10.79. Cash or card?
Yeah, this one. Chicken sandwich, French fries, and the Sprite. Here's all right.
It's dark. It's getting dark. It's 3 o'clock. It's getting dark. It's gonna be probably
Are
snowing.
you scared?
Yeah, I'm frightened.
You wanna go home?
And there's no people. Okay. Yeah, I wanna go home. I wanna go. I'm ready to go home.
So we just finished our snack and continue our journey. It's Niagara Falls, American side in area. Look at this one.
Oh, that's what I like to do.
It's a bet. Ooh. Let's go.
Yeah, this way. Let's go this. Oh, that's the rockets. Look.
Oh, it's summertime. We were here, right? Well, actually, yeah.
Yeah, but I love it here. Look at this.
So we watched everything that we could here at Niagara American side, and now we're going to our parking spot. It's very peaceful. Okay, we came, right?
Red coach in. Let's go.
Okay, let's go to see. Okay. Restaurant entrance. We have to ask, like maybe if they have a dessert or something.
Yeah, I just wanted hot coffee, you know, and I want to be on this nice patio.
Right with you.
Yeah, sure.
Can we get on the patio? I love the patio.
Let me check my reservations real quick.
It's going to be like maximum half an hour. A few minutes? Huh? Okay. No, I love this area. I love this area. I love this fireplace. It's real fireplace. We like really firewood and something. But I really want to see on top.
Yeah, thank you. This one? No, she said last table?
Third table down. This good?
No. I think third table she meant this one.
This one.
And
It's not third one. We just ordered coffee.
No, I love this. Look at this. It's steamy,
Yeah.
especially from like very cold climate, +8. You know, just windy. Just get this.
And there is Niagara River. Just order this one. I don't know, it's like chocolate cake, and this is coffee mousse.
Coffee black.
Did you get warm?
Yeah.
It's good. And we will start. I already tried. It's really delicious. Did you like?
No, we head into the car, the parking lot, and we're going home. We're gonna cross the border right now.
Yeah,
okay?
we're going to cross board right now. It's nice walking street. This is restaurant. And this is actually hotel, right?
Yeah, this is restaurant
Wow.
and hotel with food.
Let me show this one. Red Coach Inn.
All I know, it's a 100 years old hotel. Very expensive rooms, but looks very nice. You can see on the website. It's a very nice.
I cannot believe tomorrow is going to be snowing. Look at this one green stuff.
It's going to be snow, yeah.
This color. And I like it. This is doors. Look. It's nice. And they're Canadian side. We're going there. Okay, just for information, this is parkovka. Parking. Sorry, this is parking. Is $20 for 24 hours, and it's very close to Niagara Falls. This is park, right? And it's right beside visitor center. So $20 for 24 hours, flat rate, and it's safe. It's safe. So last meters before crossing board.
Turn left onto 3rd Street.
Okay. So I do believe I can do. Okay.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Great Lakes Seaway Trail, Niagara Street.
Okay, 2 lines is for us. Rainbow Bridge, Canada only. That's exactly what we want to go.
Yeah, and that's it, guys. We just.
No,
We're
not in Canada. We're not in Canada.
Yeah, but it's almost there.
Now we have to pay a toll to cross the bridge,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe here, no passes. And okay, I need the passports.
No,
it's
just the money. It's just the money. No
Toll
passport.
money. Okay.
Just the money. Yeah, that's still United States. Okay, we paid $6 American or $8.50 Canadian dollars to cross this beautiful rainbow bridge, and now we're entering Canada. So, okay, there is a flags. Did you see the flag? So we're still on the American side. American.
Continue straight to stay on Rainbow Bridge.
Okay, so and now.
Look how many cars actually are.
Yeah, and
side.
now it's here we go. There's American Canada, and now we are in Canada.
Merge onto Falls Avenue, Robert Street.
Okay. Sometimes Canadians they stop Canadians because they think we're doing shopping. If you're doing shopping,
Yeah.
we have to pay
Look at this line,
taxes. Okay, so we'll have to wait.
I don't know which one. We should
The
take it.
green one, where is the
No, I
Texas
know
open?
this. Right? We can take it this one.
Yes. Okay, now we're gonna wait our turn. Okay, guys, so we crossed the border in few seconds. It took us like 15 seconds to cross the border. Welcome to Canada. If you like our video, like, subscribed,
And leave a comments, guys. If you like wanna comment something, please welcome, do it. And we're really happy to answer your questions, or maybe you'll give us suggestions what you want to see.
So we'll see you next time.